Wisconsin. I want to go to Wisconsin.
Before we start, you decide on the names of all the people in your wagon party. Slippery when wet's teenage daughter.
Their name again.
You're an independent. Watch your backs, the city is bustling. Stay on the trailer, you might get lost. Take a gander, kids! Independence, Missouri.
The trail Fort Kearney was built by the U.S. Army to protect those bound for Oregon.
Lots to learn. Which kid is your favorite? When you're out there on the Oregon Trail, feels like you are going to fail. Is your song?
It was perfectly consensual, too.
He's small with some sense in his brain.
Thank you, Mom. Nothing?
You lying fiend, spit that out. Come on. Is that a dead bird? Hey, where did you get this?
Oh, I don't know.
Did you open your mouth and catch it out of the air?
Well, I saw it on the ground and then, I don't know.
Okay. Listen, if this trip doesn't...
Everyone say hello to your new wagon. What are you, crazy? Oh. You're headed down the trail to Oregon, this is the wagon for you. That's what the general store guy said.
They're not circles.
I think it's a great wagon, Dad. Look at me. Ow! I broke my ankle. There's a hole in the wagon, Dad.
It's not a hole, crap hole. It's called a floor window. It's very expensive. And you didn't break your ankle.
Yes, I did.
Don't tell your mother. See, not only does the floor window give you the best view of the trail itself, but you can also, help me out here, put your own feet down and help the ox pull the wagon along. Which reminds me, everyone say hello to the new family ox.
Get away from him!
Yeah, man. Gotcha. Ox.
Please
kill me!
Is his skin supposed to peel off like this?
The upside is all he eats is grass, which is free.
I'd choose some grass. I'm starved.
It's like what everyone in town keeps saying. Once you set off on that trail to Oregon, even you horny ox, get your hand in here. 1, 2, 3. I'm a monster! Yeah!
I think 3 things broke.
It's supposed to sound like that. Relaxing, let the miles unfold. Nothing.
We there yet?
No, we are not there. We just left.
We're smiling at a steady pace. I got my freedom in my suit. Spot some fun out here on the Great Plains. Oh, stop for a second, take it all in. Are we there yet? Thought road trips were lame, but they all ain't the same. It's the grind. Take it one day at a time, and we'll find our way back home. We got time to kick the idea right. Every bump by design.
Dad, I want to keep this as a pet.
Throw it back. We need a few souvenirs to prove we passed the test. Say yeah.
Dad.
Cricket. Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot.
Damn, this is boring.
What are you talking about? It's exciting. We're going places.
Oops. I don't know.
You better stop saying you don't know.
Mom, I'm serious.
Oh, good Lord. Not only was that grass for the ox.
Oops! I slipped! I just lost my mom and dad for Dick. Whoa!
And you don't even know her damn name. Proud of you, son.
Hey. Here, dinner. Duh.
You ain't eating.
I can't eat that. It's part of that cow I shot. Its blood is on my hand.
Oh, he just fell right asleep, tuckered himself on out. can
Oh, 3.
be a Jack
Oh, 4. Wow, she got them all. Conditions are right. The Kindle is dry. It's a labor of chemistry. Oh, your journey is a shame.
To Oregon.
Come on, crap hole. And this isn't personal, Jack Bauer.
Hello. Titty Mitty. It wasn't for you, Grandpa. It was for Eleanor. She passed 2 years ago. Hey, hold on a second.
Be prepared to take your life with an arrow or a hunting knife. Stop and see Fort Laramie. There's nothing to see, but you'll have to be. Do you understand? Cause you look confused. Take a look, scenic mountain views. Stay away from Old Man Bridger. When he's drunk, he'll take your liver. Life is not a petting zoo or you'll get ripped in two by a bear or a snake.